Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best washing bin is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household, playing a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness and organization, especially when dealing with laundry. A good washing bin not only simplifies the process of collecting dirty clothes but also helps in preventing clutter and keeping your living space tidy, making laundry day a less daunting task and contributing to a more streamlined home environment. Number 5. SAMMART 9.45L Collapsible Tub. Meet the SAMMART 9.45L Collapsible Tub, your new go-to for versatile cleaning and storage. It's designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency in your home. Using it is as simple as a pop-up. When you're done, it collapses flat, making storage a breeze. It's BPA-free for your peace of mind. This tub saves over 70% of space when stored. Its expanded size is 14.6 by 12.6 by 5.7 inches, but it folds down to just 1.8 inches high. It's perfect for chilling drinks, washing dishes, or even for outdoor adventures like camping and BBQs. Its 2.5-gallon capacity handles it all. The non-slip design at the bottom ensures it stays steady and firm while in use. You can rely on it to stay put. Featuring a convenient hanging hole, you can easily store it on the wall. This keeps your space tidy and the tub readily accessible. What we like? This one is incredibly user-friendly, popping up for use and collapsing flat for easy storage. Its non-slip base ensures stability during use. If you're looking for a versatile tub for dishes, drinks, or even outdoor activities like camping, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy to collapse and store somewhere out of the way, which is also important when dealing with a new baby and counter space limitations. Has held up very well to regular daily punishment for several weeks. I love how it's thick plastic so the hot water I fill it with doesn't make it flimsy. It folds flat when I'm not using and there is a small loop so I can hang it out of the way when I'm not using. It doesn't leak and is easy to carry back and forth from the sink to the laundry room. The tub folds easily and is very portable, perfect for small spaces or camping. Durable plastic feels strong enough for washing dishes or clothes. Easy to clean and store. Number 4. Wakeman Blue Collapsible Bucket. Introducing a revolutionary cleaning bucket that folds down to just 2 inches tall. It's perfect for compact storage in your kitchen, garage, or even your camping gear. This multipurpose basin can be used as a portable sink, an ice bucket, or a laundry bucket. It's also great for all your cleaning tasks, from washing your car to mopping floors. Crafted from safe and durable silicone, this foldable bucket is built to last. Its sturdy rim ensures comfortable carrying, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. With a 7.27-liter capacity, this bucket is perfect for various tasks. Use it for washing bottles, storing picnic supplies, or holding soapy water for cleaning. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse and air dry. Its collapsible design makes it incredibly easy to store when not in use. This practical cleaning tool comes in a vibrant blue color. It's designed for convenience and functionality, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. What we like? Made from tough silicone, this option is built to last through years of use, both indoors and out. It folds down to a mere 2 inches, making storage a breeze. If you need a reliable bucket for cleaning, soaking laundry, or keeping drinks cold at tailgates, this is the one for you. What people say. Lightweight, easy to clean, collapsible, so easy to store, yet sturdy enough to maintain its shape, and a good size. It's sturdy when filled with water, and I love that it folds down for easy storage when I'm done. It doesn't take up much space at all. Collapses low to get under traps and water heater flush valves, and pulls up higher in sudden water events. This can save you from a nasty mess. Number 3. Wakeman Collapsible Cleaning Caddy, Red. Introducing a versatile bin designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures. It's perfect for washing dishes, keeping drinks chilled as an ice bucket, or simply storing your essentials. Enjoy ultimate convenience with its smart collapsible design. It folds down to just 2 inches, making storage a breeze in your home, garage, or car. Despite its lightweight build, it boasts a generous 7.27L capacity. It's spacious enough for all your outdoor activity needs, from camping snacks to picnic supplies. Crafted from safe silicone with a sturdy plastic rim and base, this tub is built to last. The durable construction ensures it can handle everyday wear and tear. The sturdy upper portion makes it easy to grasp and carry, even when full. Its practical design simplifies tasks whether you're camping or at home. From camping trips and tailgating to everyday home use, this multi-purpose basin is your go-to item. It's ideal for washing, chilling, or organizing. What we like. This multi-use bin is perfect for a variety of tasks, from washing dishes to serving as an ice bucket. Its collapsible design folds down to just 2 inches, making it ideal for small spaces or travel. If you enjoy outdoor activities like camping or tailgating and need a convenient, durable basin, consider this option. What people say. So many different uses. My wife and I use this wash basin around the house whenever we need a portable ice bucket, hand soaker, wash basin. Amazing product and holds up well. This works great in my farmhouse sink so I don't have to waste gallons of water to fill up the sink. I can wash small items by hand without wasting water. I love that it collapses easily so it fits under the sink without taking up much room. Love it as it is collapsible for easy storing, large enough for many dishes, but can collapse for smaller amounts. Like the fact the bottom is not totally resting on the sink, so water can still drain if you are rinsing dishes next to it, as it doesn't totally encase the sink. Easy to clean, well made, and no regrets in purchasing it. Number 2. Collapsible dish basin and sink tub, gray. Worry-free washing for your little one's essentials. Made from safe, BPA-free materials, it's perfect for baby bottles, fruits, and vegetables. Enjoy a generous 2.4-gallon capacity for all your washing needs. When not in use, it collapses to just 2.6 inches thick, saving valuable space. Say goodbye to lifting heavy tubs. The built-in drain plug allows for quick and easy water disposal, making cleanup a breeze. Carry with confidence thanks to reinforced, non-slip handles that support up to 20 pounds. Built to last, it's engineered to withstand thousands of folds. This versatile basin is your go-to for bottle washing, dish cleaning, or even camping. It folds flat, making it ideal for travel and easy storage anywhere. What we like. The built-in drain plug makes emptying this basin incredibly easy, saving you the hassle of lifting heavy loads. It's also BPA-free, making it safe for washing baby bottles and food items. If you have a compact kitchen, an RV, or are often on the go with a family, this is a highly convenient choice. What people say. The drain is my favorite feature. Easy twist to drain. Don't have to turn over to dump. It is lightweight, very durable, fits perfectly in small sink, and has endless uses. Compact and collapsible, takes up minimal storage space. Durable material that's holding up well over several months. Effective drain plug with no leaks. Good capacity for dishwashing and hand cleaning. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Stable, even when filled with water. Number 1. SAMMART 41L Collapsible Laundry Basket. Introducing the SAMMART 41L Collapsible Laundry Basket, your new go-to for laundry and storage needs. It's designed for ultimate convenience and space saving. Simply pop it open when you need it, and it's ready to use. Its user-friendly design makes laundry day a breeze. When not in use, it collapses flat, saving over 70% of space. Store it easily anywhere, thanks to its compact folded size. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it features comfort grip handles for easy carrying. The sturdy construction ensures it maintains its shape. Beyond laundry, it's perfect for icing drinks, bathing pets, or storing toys and clothes. Keep one in your car for versatile use on the go. This stylish sky blue hamper not only functions perfectly but also adds a touch of color to your home organization. What we like. With a massive 41-liter capacity, this is the largest option, perfect for substantial laundry loads or even bathing pets. It features comfortable grip handles for easy carrying and maintains its shape when in use. If you need a large, sturdy tub for laundry, storage, or pet care, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The washing bin is designed with a sturdy frame and durable mesh material, ensuring longevity and effective ventilation. It features a large capacity, capable of holding multiple loads of laundry, making it ideal for families or individuals with high laundry volume. The collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use, saving valuable space in smaller living areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.